This had our viewer Kathy asking this question. How much money has Missouri spent on EV charging stations, and are we sending money back to the federal government? Governor Mike Parson recently signed the bill banning local mandates. The new law means cities and counties can't require businesses, churches, or groups to install electric vehicle charging stations in any new parking lot. It does not mean EV charging stations can't be built in the state. The sponsor told me through email the bill has nothing to do with federal funds, and companies are investing in charging stations.
We've received a lot of engagement from our local business customers that are wanting to learn more about it, either to meet sustainability goals within their organization or just meet the needs of their customers that are coming to their businesses.
Meantime, the bipartisan infrastructure law will send Missouri close to $99 million over 5 years to build charging stations. This is federal money. Linda Horn with MoDOT tells us the agency is developing a plan with utility companies and other partners to ensure placement of the stations is practical and beneficial. She writes the state of Missouri will not own or operate these charging stations. And MoDOT has not spent any of the federal funds and has not had to return any money. The deadline is 2026. Now, outside of that program we just told you about, there's another federal program. The Federal Highway Administration tells me there have been 3 charging grants awarded in Missouri, 1 each in Columbia, Kansas City, and University City for a minimum of 72 charging stations. So on the viewer question, Missouri has not spent any of the federal money on EV charging stations so far. And we can say on this one, are we sending money back to the federal government? We can say on this one, the answer is no. The state has not sent any of that money back to the federal government. If you have a question for Fact Finders, you can always email us right down there, factfinders@ky3.com.